Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you very much for clicking on today's video. So this is a really quick one. I just wanted to share a really good tip for you guys. Now, ribbons, aren't they terrible when they start unraveling and making a huge mess in your box? Now, I've been using this little technique for quite a few years now and it's made a huge difference to my ribbon box. So I have these ribbons here. Just arrived. These are organza ribbons. I'll link them down below. They're going to match perfectly with my new collection, and all you're going to be needing is some elastic bands. That is it. I mean, you can probably even find these for free because my postman actually drops them on my doorstep sometimes. So there you go, free elastic band. I will collect those. So let's open these up and I will quickly show you how easy this is. So let's go for this lovely rose coloured one here. Okay, so normally like you get ribbons that come like this. Well, I'll just grab another one. Or they'll come like this with the plastic thing, or sometimes they will come with the cardboard bit either side as well. So this technique will work on all of these. It works best for the ones with the polystyrene middle, so I always tend to go for those ones. Okay, so I've just taken off that. So let's pretend we've been using our ribbon. We're ready to put it away, but we don't want this to unravel and twist up with all of the other ones that are unraveling. So all you have to do is grab your band and pop it on. That's it. You can pop that in your box. You can line them all up. You know, it's not going to unravel. So this one is a little trickier because it wants to well, as you can see, the spacing, it might not work as well on this one because it's still going to want to come out, but it will kind of get trapped there. Okay, so that will sort of work for that one. Same goes for this one too. This is the cardboard one. Okay, that will kind of stop it to a certain extent, but be careful if you go rummaging in your box. So here's one that I've already fished out. That's lovely. And here is a tip for the cardboard one. There we go. I've just taken half of it off and that keeps it just nice. So that's it. It's a really cheap, maybe even sometimes free if you can find elastic bands, tip there for keeping your ribbon box nice and tidy. So if you like this tip, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.